Hi, everybody. My name is Jacqueline Sirin. I am an expert facilitator who works in and from Malaysia. And what I do as a facilitator is I facilitate teams, I facilitate meetings and individuals so that they become smarter. This International Women's Day, I am teaming up with Melanie from Communicate to offer a series of workshops called Making It Safe, Inspiring Strategies Against Sexual Harassment. And we're going to get into that in just a little bit. And for now, over to you, Melanie, to say something about Communicate and what it does.
Hello, everyone. My name is Melanie, and I am the founder and CEO of Communicate. Communicate does workshops, talks, one-on-one sessions for individuals and organizations all over the world, focusing mainly on communication skills. But sometimes we do really exciting collaborations, as we are doing this International Women's Day, when we see a topic that we think is really, really important and want to try and get it out there and in front of people. And that's what Jacqueline and I are doing. So, we're really, really excited to share more with you about making it safe. So, Jacqueline, I'm going to hand back over to you. Can you let us know who this workshop is for?
So, this 90-minute online workshop is meant for women and women only. And we're looking at targeting women who are professionals who are out there in the workplace. So, that's who it's for.
And in this workshop, what will you cover?
So the first thing we will cover is getting women to explore how they know when it's not safe. What are the signals that let you know when you're being harassed and it feels a little bit uncomfortable? And then what helps you or hinders you from listening to those signals? So that's the first thing. And then the second thing would be what kinds of behaviors or actions make it safe for you? And what kinds of behaviors or actions actually make it worse for you? And then the final thing we do is we get the women to consolidate all of their learnings and to begin planning what they might do next if they ever experience harassment again.
Wow, you cover so many really important things in this session, Jacqueline. And I wanted to ask, especially for anyone watching this video, why is this session important? And why should organizations
Hmm.
consider doing this workshop?
That is such a good question. And we know that organizations, companies, any kind of community that is thriving and that uh, flourishes because they're creating an environment that is safe for every single person, every single employee. And
Mm.
companies have a duty of care to make sure that they provide a safe working environment. And we know that sexual harassment actually is something that's really stressful for a lot of women. It actually creates an unsafe working environment for women. And the statistics show that what happens is that companies begin to experience high attrition rates. You lose talent because women feel like they can no longer come to work because of the high stress levels. Uh, those are the kinds of things that you want to consider. Also, like having this workshop is really important because it protects your company. It protects your company in terms of your reputation. And in some jurisdictions, it will help protect your company from regulatory action. So I think that's why this workshop is really important.
I couldn't agree more. You know, I'm so passionate about this session. Think it's so crucial to get it out there, to get it in front of people, for people to learn and also have a safe space to potentially share some of the experiences they've had and know what to do should they face those moments in the future. And so I'm deeply passionate about showing this to people this International Women's Day, Jacqueline. So,
Yeah, yeah.
how can people do this session if they want to do it?
Well, just get in touch with either Melanie or me, and our contact details will be in the show notes or, yeah, the show notes or the comments, wherever that may be, whether it's up or down. And that's how you can get in touch with us, either just for a chat, or to find out more about the workshop.
Please, everyone, if you're interested to learn more about how to make it safe in your organization, reach out to us. We'd be so excited to have a chat with you, share more, and hopefully deliver this session for you this International Women's Day.